con carne, the real one. 2 kilos of chuck, 1 onion, water. Boil until it goes soft. You just cover it with water and put it onto the stove. Just some salt. Turn it on. So once it comes to a vigorous boil, turn it down and simmer it. And this will take a good few hours for the tough meat to tenderize, break down and actually make the gravy. On for over an hour now, and you can see it's starting to, the liquid's starting to evaporate. Rather than adding more water, best thing to do is just put a lid on it, let it simmer, probably another half an hour to 3/4 an hour, and in that time you can prepare your tomatoes and chilies. Heavy cast iron pan, you can start to roast the tomatoes. Just put 3 or 4 whole tomatoes onto a pan, and they'll just run around and blister. A lot of flavour will come out of that. And you can also put 4 garlic cloves in their skins into there as well. Just rotate them and turn the flame down a bit, and what's going to happen is they're going to blister. They go really beautiful, dark and nice and soft and mushy, and then we can add it to the con carne. Okay, you can hear it bubbling away. The tomatoes are getting softer all the time. Use some tongs if you don't have strong fingers like mine, and just roll them around. The garlic's also starting to cook inside the skin. It'll eventually crack and pop outside the skin. Takes about probably 10 or 15 minutes of slow cooking, but we've all got time, so it's all good. Just now fire roast some green chilies. So they're all ready, and then cover them with plastic. The steam will actually bring the skins up. So there we have it. The meat is just soft, mushy. Still a little bit of moisture left in it, which is exactly what I want. Tomatoes and garlic too, soft, mushy. The garlic, you'll see, just squeezes out of the skin. Yum. So to that, also add the tomatoes, which you can just see how they go. So mushy. Now I've just brought it back to the boil. I've got a potato masher. You can pull the bay leaf out if you want. And then we add this beautiful tomato garlic mixture. Get all the garlic out. And then just mash it. The chilies are going to be the garnish when we serve it. It's perfect to go inside a tortilla. Make a salsa, get some tortillas, and enjoy. All you have to do is you can get a cloth or just peel it away for flavours, but that's your chili at the end of it, and that's going to be part of my chili con carne.